Welcome to Cosmic Vibes, your divine space where stars whisper secrets and the universe speaks in numbers. If you've been seeing 1111 lately on the clock, your receipt, the number of messages, or randomly online, pause. This is not a coincidence, it's a cosmic signal. And today, I'll tell you exactly why you're seeing it now, what the universe is aligning behind the scenes, and how the celestial events unfolding this very week are setting up a financial miracle in your life. Stay till the end, because this message isn't meant for everyone. It's meant for those who are ready to receive. But before we begin, if you feel aligned with messages like this, ones that blend numerology, divine timing, and the power of cosmic truth, hit the subscribe button and type, "I'm ready," in the comments to claim this energy. Let's begin. Lately, more and more people are reporting strange synchronicities. They keep catching the time at 11:11. They're seeing it on total bills, page numbers, even car plates. It may appear small, but 1111 is not just a visual glitch in the matrix, it is a portal. In numerology, 11 is the master intuitive number, and when it repeats, its power expands. 1111 is often referred to as the awakening code or activation signal. The universe uses it to say, pause, listen. What you've been asking for is approaching. Are you aligned to receive it? When you see 1111 repeatedly, it's a sacred reminder that your thoughts are manifesting faster than usual. This week in particular, that message is amplified because something extraordinary is happening in this cosmos. Let's explore this week's celestial alignments. July 21st, full moon in Capricorn. This full moon energy brings structure to dreams, especially in finances and long-term goals. Capricorn rules legacy, discipline, and elevation, making this an ideal moment for anchoring wealth into your life. And this is the second full moon in Capricorn this year, which doubles the energy, a rare and powerful echo from the universe. July 22nd, Venus enters. Virgo, Venus, the planet of money, beauty, and value, moves into analytical Virgo. This sparks divine order in your financial plans. You may find yourself becoming more intentional with where you spend, save, or invest. It's not just about wealth, it's about becoming a steward of abundance. Mars trine Jupiter, ongoing until July 20th. This is the aspect of bold moves and lucky expansion. The actions you take now, no matter how small, can ripple into massive returns. This is the celestial signature of someone suddenly finding an opportunity, a winning idea, or a surprise reward. These three cosmic events create what we call an energetic triangle of manifestation. Action, abundance, and alignment are all supported right now. And right in the center of this triangle is you. So, when you see 1111 this week, it's the universe telling you, you're standing at the gate of your next level. Here's what it means for your daily life. If your thoughts have been scattered, it's time to focus. If you've been doubting your worth, it's time to affirm it. And if you've been waiting for a sign to take the next step financially, this is it. This week is not about passive hope. It's about listening to divine instructions. Have you noticed an idea keeps circling your mind? A forgotten opportunity returned to you? A strange feeling that something big is about to happen? These are not random. They are divine downloads, and 1111 is the confirmation that they are real. Let's go deeper into the numerology. The number 1 represents creation, new beginnings, and the power of focus. Repeated 4 times 1111 becomes a signal from the divine realms, a cosmic green light. Think of it like this. When you see 1111, the energetic gates open briefly. Whatever thought you hold in that moment has the potential to manifest faster. That is why the universe keeps bringing your attention to it. So instead of brushing it off, make it a sacred moment. Each time you see it this week, speak wealth over your life. Say things like, "Money flows to me now. I am the frequency of abundance. The universe is clearing the way for my breakthrough." It's not superstition, it's energetic alignment. Now, you might be wondering, but why now? Why is 1111 showing up again and again during this week? Because the veil is thin. Because the planets are cooperating. Because your soul asked for a sign. And now the sign is responding. The full moon in Capricorn brings the final push for overdue financial blessings to arrive. The Venus-Virgo shift realigns what you value and how you attract it. And the Mars-Jupiter trine fuels the belief that you deserve something much, much bigger. All you have to do is claim it. Let me share something personal. Every time I've gone through a financial upgrade, moments where unexpected money appeared, where opportunities showed up seemingly from nowhere, 1111 preceded it. And I always followed a little ritual. The moment I saw 1111, I'd stop, close my eyes, and imagine my bank account multiplying. I'd see myself relaxed, grateful, fulfilled. I'd thank the universe before it arrived. And every single time, I mean every time, a shift would happen. Maybe not instantly, but something always began moving. Because I wasn't just wishing, I was responding to the frequency, and you can do the same. You're not just a viewer, you're a vessel. The message is not random, it's targeted. So if you've been seeing 1111 lately, especially during this powerful week of cosmic motion, here's what to do. 1. Acknowledge it. Say, "I see you, universe." 2. Align your thoughts. Speak only what you want to manifest. 3. Take one bold step. Even a tiny action sends a huge signal. 4. Write it down. Before sleeping, write, "I am ready for divine wealth," 11 times. 5. Light a candle on July 21st, full moon night, and visualize golden light entering your home. Let 1111 become your daily prayer, a bridge between the physical and spiritual. This is not just spiritual talk. We are electromagnetic beings in a vibrational universe. Your thoughts generate frequency, your emotions hold charge. And the cosmos, it listens. So when the cosmos whispers 1111, you whisper back, "I'm ready, I'm aligned, I'm open." You are not watching this by accident. Your timing is divine. The universe wants you to be abundant, not because you worked harder than anyone else, but because you finally stopped resisting what was already yours. Financial miracles don't come to the desperate. They come to the aligned, to the still, to the ready. So I'll leave you with this final reminder. 1111 is your invitation, your moment, your yes. The universe has already said yes. Say it back. If this message resonated, tell the universe you're ready. Type 1111, "I accept my financial miracle" in the comments. Like this video if your soul feels activated. Subscribe if you want to receive more energy-coded messages like this. And share this with someone who's been seeing 1111 too. It's not a coincidence you're both being called right now. The stars are aligned, your energy is focused, and the gates are wide open. Now, walk through them.